Hey everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today I will help you how to activate your card with your region debit, credit, or ATM. So first of all, you need to download their mobile app, which named Regions mobile app. And after that, in online banking, you should go to their customer service menu and select services. Under the card services selection or section, you should select activate card and then enter your new card number with the last four digits of your social security number and the card expiration date. Finally, you should select submit. You will receive confirmation that your new card has been activated and available for immediate use. Also, in the mobile app, you should go to your account and tap on cards. Then, in the convenience section, tap activate card. Enter your new card number and the card expiration date. Then tap activate card. So, either way of this both method works, and you can also activate your card by directly calling their services, which are the number that is displayed here on the screen. You can pause it if you want. And that is all.